I've recently come across a product that's popping up all over social media. People are calling it a miracle for removing stubborn grease. The videos are eye-catching, showing it wiping away baked-on messes in seconds. But as I started digging deeper, I couldn't help but wonder, does BullShot Grease Cleaner really work as advertised, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. Do you constantly battle greasy messes that refuse to come off, no matter how hard you scrub? It's a frustrating, time-consuming problem. Sticky residues, blackened cookware, and ugly smears on countertops. That's exactly the problem Horsepower BullShot Grease claims to solve. They market it as a powerful grease and grime emulsifier designed to dissolve tough messes instantly, even on baked-on stains. The process seems almost too easy. Shake the can, point, spray, and let the foaming action do its magic. After a quick wipe with a damp cloth, the surface is supposedly spotless. They even promote it as a multi-surface solution, saying it can handle oil, crayons, markers, stubborn kitchen grease, and more. Plus, they emphasize that it leaves no residue behind and is proudly made in the USA. In the promotional videos, the demonstrations are almost unbelievable. They heat a pan to extreme temperatures, spray the foam, wait a few seconds, and then wipe away an entire blackened layer of grime, like it's nothing. They even show it working on a variety of surfaces, making it look like a one-can-fixes-all product. That's when the first red flag hit me. When something seems this effortless, it often falls into the too good to be true category. One major concern is ingredient transparency. For a cleaner powerful enough to dissolve baked-on grease in seconds, you'd expect a clear list of what's inside, especially for safety purposes. But the product information provides no ingredient details at all. Without that, you have no way of knowing if it's safe for cookware, skin, or the surfaces you're cleaning. Another issue is safety guidance. Strong cleaning chemicals usually include warnings about kids, pets, or food contact. Here there's almost nothing mentioned, which raises questions about whether it's safe to use in everyday kitchens. And then there's the review situation. The only notable review I found wasn't about its cleaning performance. It was about a broken spray nozzle. That's hardly a reassuring sign when you're considering spending your money on it. In my opinion, BullShot Grease Cleaner might work for small, simple messes, but the bold claims and missing safety information make it risky, especially on luxury or delicate surfaces. Without ingredient transparency and real user feedback, it feels more like marketing hype than a proven miracle. My verdict: use it cautiously, if at all.